We are going to look at some more examples where we have to find the missing numbers. 3a plus 25 is giving us b2. There are two unknown quantities here, a and b. And this is addition sum, that means on adding a and 5 I have to get 2, that is the units digit is 2. It could be a 2 digit number, but at the moment the units digit is 2. So 5 has to be added to something to get 2. What is that number? If I add, let us say 1, I will get 6, I will not get 2 here. If I add 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 plus 5 is 10, the units digit of 10 is 0, 1 gets carried over. Then if it is not satisfied with 5, go to the next. 5 and 6 is 11, which means I will get 1 here. 5 and 7 gives us 12. So you find that in 12 the units digit is 2, so we get 1 carried over here. So which means that the value of a which is satisfying us in this condition is the value of a should be 7. Now if a is 7, everything falls into place. This will become 37 and plus we are adding 25, 7 and 5 becomes 12. So 2 we have got here and we have got here as well. 1 gets carried over, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So what happens is we substitute the value of a as 7, the value of b will come out to be 6. So we can say that the value here is going to be a7 and b6. Look at the next question. We have 4a plus 98 giving cb3, which means that two digit numbers on addition gives us a 3-digit number. Look at the units place here. 8 added to a is giving us a number here 3. The units digit is 3. So which means that this number can be easily found out. So that number will be 5. The reason being 8 plus 5 is 13. So we have 3 and we get 1 carried over. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 and 9 we get 14. So we get the value of b and c as well. So once we put the value of a as 5, we are going to get 4, 5 plus 98. So 8 and 5 is 13. So 3, 1 gets carried over. So we add this 9, 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. So what are the values that we are getting? We've got a as 5, we've got the value of b as 4, that is the tens place here, and the hundreds place the value of c is 1. So we identified all the unknown quantities here a, b and c. In the next one we have 1a multiplied by a giving 9a. This is a question of multiplication. Now that means a number multiplied by itself is giving us the same number here. So this number could be 0. If I am putting 0, 10 zeros are 0, but this is, the answer is starting with 9. So it cannot be 0. 1 into 1 is also 1, but 11 into 1 is not 90 something. So I cannot take 1 here also. If I take the next number 3, 3 and 3 is 9. So that we cannot take at all because the value is completely changing. 4 into 4 is 16. Again, this is 4 and this units digit will become 6. We can't take that. We can take 5 because 5 into 5 is 25 and 25 ends with 5. However, if I take 15 into 5, again that will be 75. It will not be a number in the 90s. Then we go to 6. If I take 6, 6 into 6 is 36. So that's ending with 6. And we also see that when I multiply 16 into 6, we are getting 96. Therefore, we can say the correct value of a here is 6.